The fireworks started, and then it ended. Why? Okay.
No, that one is so massive. I was scared of that one.
Okay, I think we're doing another one, so I'm gonna pause it.
Hey, are there?
Guys, we're doing another one. This is gonna be awesome. You see me on my awesome stuff. I'ma get cool. You gonna get boo. Did you see, guys? We're gonna do another one. I'm gonna record everything. This is the part 2 of the fireworks on October, and it's gonna end in like 7 minutes. So guys, I'm gonna make this quick. And I'm gonna dance inside of it. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna pause this so I doesn't run out of time when the thing comes. So, boy! So guys, and it has to be buried. This has to be buried. And so it will be buried. Just wait and see. Everybody is scared. So we're all staying inside. It's super dark outside. But when you see those fireworks, you ain't gonna say, what? Okay, so right, guys, it's coming. It's coming.
This time, big one.
God, it's a big. Look at that. Guys, look at that. It's scary. I am. This is the biggest one I've ever seen, actually.
Finished?
No, it's coming back on
I
again.
wouldn't go too close to it yet.
I finished that one.
That was really good.
Okay, give us
They were really good. You'll have to send me the video because I couldn't get on it.
Guys! Oh my god, everybody, we're gonna do it again. We're gonna do it now. I'm gonna go somewhere else so you can see. What up, guys? Check it out. Check out my outfit. It looking boss as boss. No, seriously, no. Look at it. I'm a witch. With a really swaggy beanie hat. Okay, in the comments below, tell me what you're dressed as. I would really like to know. Okay, I'm going to go see the fireworks. I'll be back. Guys, look at that!
How are you feeling? Are you happy? Or just have your attention like
John, that was really tiny.
choose whatever you want to say.
Right, guys, it's happening again. Yeah, I'm scared. I'm screwed, man. Yo!
Just said, don't just
That was tiny.
I don't do such. I don't post what's going on.
Guys, I don't think it's coming on again. What's that? Oh my god, it's coming on again! Guys, this one is too tiny for you guys to see. Alright, I'm stepping out. I'm stepping out of here.
Watch this girl.
Oh want you to. I'm not doing the dance for you. Forget it. Forget it. Alright, let's go. Let's go, guys. Yo. Woo, guys. This is the 4th of July. It's too small for you guys to see.
See, I've had that. See, I've had
This is embarrassing.
I'm sorry, normal.
Wait, are we doing another one?
That was quite good. Yeah,
Are we doing another one?
that's it. Keep your feet. Keep your shoes off. That's quite good,
Okay, guys, it's gonna be the end of this one. So we'll see if we do bigger. So yeah, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe and like and comment. Yeah. So yeah.